Basketball court that we talked about in our last lesson. The student government liked your half-court basketball plan. They have asked you to calculate the actual area of the court so that they can estimate the cost of the project. Based on your drawing below, what will the area of the planned half-court be? So we need to look at this scale right here. It tells us that 1 inch on the drawing, so there's our x, corresponds to 15 feet of actual length, so there's our y. So to find our scale factor, or our k value, we're going to do our y value, 15 divided by 1, which would equal 15. So now we need to start by finding the area of the picture of the court that we have. So to find the area of a rectangle, we do our two side lengths multiplied by each other. So we're going to do 2 times 1 2/3. So in order to multiply this, we need to change our mixed number into an improper fraction. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 would be 5. So we're doing 2 over 1 times 5 over 3. When we multiply, we get 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 3 is 3. So we get that the area is 10/3. Now you could make that a mixed number if you would like, but since we're probably not done with it, I'm going to go ahead and leave it as an improper fraction. So in our previous problem, we talked about the scale factor and the value of the ratios of the areas being the scale factor times itself, meaning we need to take our area of our picture and we're going to times it by the scale factor, but we're going to times it by the scale factor 2 times. So we're going to start with 10/3, and we're going to times this by our scale factor of 15, and then we're going to do that process again, and this is when we find the area of a shape. Probably want to use a calculator to help you solve this one, which would be just fine. All right, when we do 10 times 15 times 15, we should get 2,250. And then on the bottom, 3 times 1 times 1. And then we need to simplify that. When we simplify that, we get 750 over 1. So the area of the court is 750 feet squared, or square feet.